Chapter 2, number 7, you're solving for the linear equation, or y. The linear equation just means there are multiple variables, okay? So this one, we have to get rid of the 2x first. So we're going to subtract 2x to both sides. In this process, this does cancel, leaving you with just a negative 2y on the left-hand side. And on my right-hand side, you have negative 2x plus 5. And the fact that there is a negative 2 in front attached via multiplication, we can now just divide by negative 2. If we do it to the left-hand side, we also have to do it to the right-hand side, to all the terms. This does cancel, just leaving you with just a y. Negative 2 divided by negative 2 is a negative 1x. Then we have just 5 divided by negative 2, so we can just write minus 5 over 2. Right? No one really writes that negative 1, so you can just write it as just negative x here. And that would be your final answer. Y is equal to negative x minus 5 divided by 2. All right, B. Again, we have to get y alone, so we're going to subtract 8x to both sides. In this process, this cancels. 8x minus 8x cancels on my right hand side. On my left hand side, we have negative 8x plus 20 equals to 4y. This 4 is attached via multiplication, so we're going to divide by 4 to both sides. In this process of dividing with 4 to both sides, this does cancel, leaving you with just a y on my right, a 5 here, and this is a negative 2x. Okay, there you go. Or you can see this as y equals to negative 2x plus 5. Okay, notice both equations here, what we were trying to do when we were solving for the linear equation. All we were doing was just converting it from standard form here into slope-intercept form of y equals mx plus b. Okay, that is just solving for this linear equation.